together. Forget about the in-between. We could write the ending scene. Hey, I already feel much better, knowing I got time to breathe, knowing that you're right there for me. You can't hold together unless you're falling apart. You can black out the stars as you can see in the dark. Find the missing pieces, gon' get back what I lost. I don't wanna wait no more. I don't wanna wait no more. Hey, 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 I fix my heart, remove these scars, so when you show up, I'll be ready for you. Closed up, oh yeah, get a hold for real. So when you get here, I'll be ready for you. Hey, ain't it a funny thing?